Join us on Wednesday, April 29th at 9 a.m. Central Time for a webcast auction for CNC and manual machining equipment from Armitage Machine Co. This auction features a Johnford CNC VMC, Landis double head threader, 3 Mori Seiki CNC lathes, Mori Seiki CNC VMC, 7 engine lathes, by Cincinnati, Rockland, and Warner and Swasey, DeVlieg Spiramatic jig mill, a Trump and Bridgeport vertical mill, Kalamazoo, Kysor Johnson, and Dake horizontal bandsaws, grinders, H-frame press, welders, a large quantity of tool steel, Hyster forklift, air compressors, Ford F-350 dually pickup truck. For more information visit us at myronbowling.com. Register for the auction at bidspotter.com.